Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the crystal Black Kyanite, the stone of stability. For those who've watched my channel before, welcome back. And for those who are brand new, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening about the supportive benefits of the stone, and deciding if that's a crystal that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Black Kyanite, then I will link that up in the eye above in case you want to pause this video and go watch that one to get a few more details about how Black Kyanite can support you before you start in on this meditation. It's not required though. If you do have a piece of Black Kyanite, which is this lovely fan-shaped crystal, then you may want to go get that now and set it next to your meditation seat. But no gemstone is required to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture the stone in your mind, and if any of the prompts or visualizations in this guided meditation call to you or feel really familiar or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Black Kyanite and work with it a little bit more. So if you have been watching my videos and you find them useful and you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any crystal wisdom videos. The next thing that you will need before the guided meditation is a comfortable seat, and that could be on a cushion on the floor. It could be in a chair or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we sit through the guided meditation. So if you have your Black Kyanite or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. Bring your awareness to what it feels like to breathe right now. How does it feel to be breathing? Do your lungs expand easily, or do they feel a little tight? And then bring your attention to any physical sensations you may notice right now. And then check in with your heart space to see what emotions might be with you. And then check in with the state of your mind. Is it calm or busy? And we are not trying to fix anything. We're not trying to change it. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts on your body that are touching the cushion or floor beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, supported by all of its mass, and you have access to the energy of the whole earth. So it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you have a piece of black kyanite, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the black kyanite today. If you don't have a piece of the stone, then picture a black fan-shaped crystal. And if you're holding the stone, then take a minute to feel this stone in your hand, to notice its weight, to run your fingers over the surface, and really get to know your piece of black kyanite. And notice if anything has changed about the way your heart, mind, or body feels since you've picked up the black kyanite. And then imagine that giant roots extend out from your legs deep down into the earth, rooting you, providing you with support and stability. And sit with this image of black kyanite energy for a minute. Black kyanite is the stone of stability. And as you hold or imagine the black kyanite, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you live or work in a toxic environment? Do you feel like you need to lift up out of a bad mood right now? Do you feel like there's just too much going on in your life right now and it's difficult to focus? Is it hard to calm and settle down into meditation? Do you feel dizzy, disconnected, or somewhere else after meditation or spiritual practice? All of these life situations are supported by black kyanite. And if you feel that one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, to your mind and body, and sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the black kyanite. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the crystal. Check in with how you feel about this situation. And see if anything has changed about the way you feel about this aspect of your life. And then check in with your heart and your body and mind to see if anything has changed for you at all since the start of this meditation. And then release the scenario that you were sitting with and release the image of the black kyanite energy and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with black kyanite and feel its energy. And if you do feel like black kyanite is a crystal that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really notice some change and call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone as soon as you pick it up. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works within your life to help improve actual life situations by knowing what aspects of your life you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them on a regular basis. And that's how you bring about transformation and change. If you're brand new to this channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the supportive benefits of a gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in bringing crystal wisdom into your life and really making some actual life change, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.